This one, is no.
No. So, boss, this one and this one and this one, okay, sir? So, this one, sir.
Kai sweet customer.
No problem.
Waiting, yeah.
Yeah.
क्या सामान
Little bit finish, ha? Okay. So, before 4 o'clock, they are coming to your place. 3 o'clock maybe like this, okay? We will try to bring you much early, okay? Thank you. So, based in the picture, okay, this is the item, and this is the description. This is the quantity that you needed, okay? And this one is stocks in Dubai, okay? So, this one, madam, is from stock from China. This is the price, which is still we have 15%, okay? The actual price, okay? And then this is the total amount as per to your quantity, okay, madam? So at least you cannot lose. I sent to you already this one, you can check also. And then after this one is okay,
Subscribe! Sana all! Subscribe!
after this one is okay, madam, so we can make finalize. 1 second. I think this is only the mistaken, madam. Only this one. I already enlightened. Okay. I sent to you. Just please properly check. Thank you. So it was 92. I have stuck in this. But the problem is the price, madam. You put already 300 280, something like that. So I think mistaken. Right now, ma'am, I already double check the what you call this. I already double check the stocks and the quantity that you needed. See, bro, all this one is I make old. So I'm so very busy, bro. See? And then I check properly the quantity because too much quantity, bro. So that's why I'm so very busy.
Sana all!
So this documents is all delivery note and delivery to the cargo lady. The last night, the one that they paid half of 551,000. So they pay 270 something like that. Siguro sila mag-vacuum. Ayan, oh. Daming kalat dito sa likod. Paunahin mo dito sa likod, Mel.
Sana all.